finger. So we're casting off all these in between my fingers. That's going to be, I believe 14. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So we are going to cast off the next 14 stitches using the basic bind off. So what we're going to do is we will E-wrap 2 pegs, bottoms over the top, the stitch on peg 2, you move to peg 1, knit off, take that stitch and move over to fill in the empty spot. Now you're going to have 1 peg empty, 1, 2, 3, peg 4. Now we E-wrap both pegs. This is the one I just moved over. I E-wrap that peg and the next one. That's your step 1. Step 2, you move the stitch from your second peg to your first one and knit off. Step 3 is you move the stitch from peg 1 over to peg 2 and fill in. E-wrap 2. Move the stitch from the second to the first. Oops, make sure you get all the plies. Knit off. Fill in the gap. Do this all the way over for your 14 pegs. The 14 pegs are cast off, which you can double check by going make sure you have 3 from this side, and from the white one count back 2. So got 3 on this side, and there's 14 empty pegs.